Logistic and Supply Chain Management, MCQs, Part 4. Dash refers to the organization ability to trace products sold in the past and, if necessary, to provide extended warranty. Initialization, warranty, repair spares, etc. Option B, call out time. Option C, customer claim, complaint written. Option D, product tracing. The correct answer is option D, product tracing. Dash satisfaction is achieved through performing a set of activities for progress. Option A, customer reliability. Option D, customer complaint. Option C, customer feedback. Option D, customer service. The correct answer is option D, customer service. Arranging the service competency identified in dash step in order of importance as received by the customer. Option A, first step. Option D, second step. Option C, third step. Option D, fourth step. Correct answer is option A, first step. A sample of customer selected and question are asked to identify the important service dash and service dash. Option A, indicators and attributes. Options B, consistency and convenience. Option C, free transaction and transaction element. Option D, elements and strategy. Correct answer is option A, indicators and attributes. To identify customer segment technique of dash is used. Option A, customer churn analytics. Option B, sales channel analytics. Option C, customer engagement analytics. Option D, cluster analysis. The correct answer is option D, cluster analysis. Dash will compromise of a network distribution dealer and retailer to which the product reach the customer. Option A, material handling. Option B, supply chain system. Option C, logistics system. Option D, logistic costing system. Correct answer is option C, logistic system. The purpose of dash to arrive at the real estate project or demand pattern across the different market. Option A, data analysis. Option B, demand forecasting. Option C, market analysis. Option D, demand estimate. The correct answer is option B, demand forecasting. Forecasting is the process of estimating dash. Option A, market demand. Option B, market supply. Option C, market rate. Option D, market location. The correct answer is option A, market demand. Time period under which assume a set of market condition in market program by using method of technique which can be dash. Option A, rational or irrational. Option B, qualitative or quantitative. Option C, demand or supply. Option D, consistency or convenience. Correct answer is option B, qualitative and quantitative. Region-wise or state-wise forecast helps in proper planning of resource purchase dash dealer. Option A, sales representative. Option B, infrastructure. Option C, product planning. Option D, purchasing schedule. The correct answer is option A, sales representative. Dependent demand is a result of vertical dash. Option A, demand forecasting. Option B, competency of forecast. Option C, supply chains consecutive. Option D, demand and supply. Correct answer is option C, supply chain consecutive. Dash generally occurs in the end of the vertical supply chain. Option A, dependent demand. Option B, independent demand. Option C, internal demand. Option D, external demand. The correct answer is option B, independent demand. Forecast is generally done for each distribution center or dash on the periodic basis for each stock keeping unit. Option A, market demand. Option B, market supply. Option C, market rate. Option D, market location. The correct answer is option D, market location. A positive trend indicates dash over the period of time. Option A, increasing sell. Option B, increasing purchase. Option C, decreasing sell. Option D, decreasing purchase. The correct answer is option A, increasing sell. Dash techniques are mainly based on experience of workforce or on survey. Option A, quantitative technique. Option B, qualification technique. Option C, qualitative technique. Option D, casual technique. Correct answer is option A, quantitative technique. Dash is also known as pooled sales force estimate. Option A, sales force assessment. Option B, forecasting approach. Option C, Delphi method. Option D, product sales. The correct answer is option A, sales force assessment. Dash assume that there will be no significant changes in demand pattern in the absence of a significant external event. Option A, Delphi method. Option B, NAV approach. Option C, market research. Option D, forecasting approach. Correct answer is option B, NAV approach. Dash is very effective for medium and long term forecast. Option A, forecasting approach. Option B, Delphi method. Option C, product sell. Option D, casual method. The correct answer is option D, casual method. In Dash, there are only two variables. Option A, simple regression. Option B, time series method. Option C, moving average. Option D, demand forecast. The correct answer is option A, simple regression. The Dash includes variety of methods that analyze the pattern and the movement of historical data. Option E, qualitative technique. Option B, casual technique. Option C, time series technique. Option D, qualification technique. Correct answer is option C, time series technique. The main advantages of Dash are that it gives quick calculation without use of historical data. Option A, moving average. Option B, exploitation smoothing. Option C, extended smoothing. Option D, adaptive smoothing. The correct answer is option B, exploitation smoothing. Dash, there is a regular review of alpha factor validity. Option A, moving average. Option B, explanation smoothing. Option C, extended smoothing. Option D, adaptive smoothing. The correct answer is option D, adaptive smoothing. The basic model of exploitation smoothing can be extended to include dash. Option A, rational or irrational. Option B, qualitative and quantitative. Option C, trend and seasonality period. Option D, next and same period. The correct answer is option C, trend and seasonality period. Dash are based on the hypothesis that future demand of the product depend on the past or current value of some variable or variables. Option A, casual method. Option D, time series method. Option C, demand forecast. Option D, trend component. The correct answer is option A, casual method. The dash or index has an average value of 1 for all period and individual factor can range from 0 to 12. Option A, base demand. Option B, seasonal factor. Option C, trend component. Option D, cyclic factor. Correct answer is option B, seasonal factors. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.